Hi, grandkids. The title of today's book gives us a good idea of what it's going to be about. The title is Night Becomes Day, Changes in Nature. That's right. This book is all about the constant changes that occur in nature. Night Becomes Day, Changes in Nature by Cynthia Argentine. Night becomes day. Flower becomes fruit. Nature is always at work, transforming. Some changes are small, like footprints disappearing in sand. Swoosh! The wave retreats. They're gone. Other changes are big, like a giant canyon. The river wears away stone, bit by bit, layer by layer. It carves a canyon thousands of steps deep and hundreds of miles long. Changes can be quick. A pumpkin tendril wraps around a rope in minutes. But often, change is slow. An acorn lies on the ground. In a few weeks, it cracks open and sends down a root. In a few more weeks, it drops its shell, sprouts, and becomes a sapling. The little oak tree grows, adding leaves and limbs. In many years, it will offer shade, shelter, and a perfect place to climb or rest. Change can brighten, splashing the landscape with color. A desert bursts into bloom after rain. Or change can be dull, making colorful things drab. On the forest floor, golden leaves turn into dark brown loam. Rain falls, animals scamper, worms burrow, microbes munch. Lost leaves and fallen branches, now soft underfoot, become soil that will support new life. Change happens above. Fluffy clouds dot the sky as warm air rises and cools up high. And change happens below. Water moves through rocks and soil, seeps into an underground cavern, and drips, creating eerie teeth and towers. Unhurried in their dark lair, these mineral spires may grow an inch a century. Change can be hot, like a volcano. Whir, hiss, rumble, crackle, kaboom! Magma bursts from within Earth. Lava glows and flows. Or change can be cold, like a glacier. With rocks trapped in its icy underside, this mass of snow scrapes and grinds. It flattens hills and forms valleys. Change can be ancient, like diamonds. These gems formed eons ago under intense pressure deep inside the earth. But change can also be new, like a snowflake. A fleck of airborne dust joins a bit of water in the sky to create an ice crystal. Drifting down, it grows branches and becomes a sparkling star. Everywhere on Earth, from shore to mountain, field to forest, surface to sky, nature is at work, transforming. Fruit becomes flower. Changes in nature. Big, small, high, low, hot, cold. You guys are changing. I love you all. Bye.